Your eyes are the most important safety feature in your vehicle, and no amount of electronics or engineering or high-tech radar can replace them as the #1 safety system on the road. Making sure your eyes can do their job properly at all times by protecting them from strain and fatigue helps maximize your safety as a driver and ensures that your eyes are performing optimally at the wheel. One of the easiest ways to ensure that your eyes are performing as best they can is to give them a helping hand by protecting them with a set of quality sunglasses or driving glasses every time you go outside during the day and at all times while you're driving. This includes cloudy days, since plenty of the sun's harmful UV rays can pass straight through clouds. Drivers who squint and struggle to see in the dazzling winter sun can't see comfortably. Squinting and straining for long periods results in discomfort, fatigue, and stress, 3 things that make it difficult to focus on the road ahead and to use your eyes to help stay aware of your surroundings. To be clear, stress, discomfort, and eye fatigue at the wheel can be a killer. I recently talked to driving safety expert Carl Nadeau about how stressed out and uncomfortable drivers tend to have very poor reflexes when it comes to car control. We talked about how taking a few steps to make sure that you're calm and comfortable at the wheel can make driving much safer.
Driver inputs, wrong driver input that will send a car into a slide. And unfortunately, so many drivers, when they drive, they're so tense. So if you feel tension in your neck, shoulders, arms, your hands, you're too tense. And now you're driving a 3,000 pounds car, all tense up, and you think it's going to be good. It's not. Every driver have to relax.
The gist is that when a driver is comfortable, they can collect information more easily about the motoring environment around them. A more informed driver tends to be a more relaxed driver. A more relaxed driver tends to be a safer driver. And in summary, taking steps to ensure that you're having a comfortable and stress-free drive is a really good idea that could save your life. To see our full conversation, check out the links in the description below. With a quality set of shades, your eyes don't need to engage their self-defense squinting regimen when it's too bright to see comfortably. With quality lenses, incoming light and colors are honed and filtered, damaging UV rays are blocked. Dull, low-contrast colors are muted, harsh reflections are virtually neutralized, and it's like switching from a high-definition television set to something with 4K technology. Everything looks more pronounced and vivid, and you're able to see clearly and comfortably with less effort. Quality driving glasses eliminate the need to squint, meaning that drivers can see more comfortably more of the time, and with less straining and discomfort, it's easier to focus on the road and the motoring environment around you. By dramatically enhancing your ability to see comfortably, driving glasses can make it easier to see detail further away, make it more comfortable to glance around while performing mirror checks, and they can even fend off headaches. As an added bonus, remember that protecting your eyes all day means that they'll be fresher and more alert into the evening hours, and that's whether you're driving onwards into darkness or just at home relaxing. Personally, I make sure to use my driving glasses all day if I'll be driving in the evening as well. That's because your eyes are in much better shape for after dark driving if they've been comfortable all day rather than strained all day. Quality driving glasses immediately make your vision more comfortable, which makes you more relaxed and makes your drive safer. Just remember that super cheap sunglasses may do more harm than good, so stick with a pair that you like from a quality brand that you trust. If it's in your budget, consider a set of polarized lenses too. These offer benefits similar to the ones I mentioned, but are also more effective at cutting glare from bright reflective surfaces common in your driving environment, like wet roads or snow. A set of driving glasses with thin aviator-style arms mounted high on the frames blocks less of your peripheral vision during lane change checks too. Your new driving glasses are a fantastic investment, and you can protect yours by keeping them in a secure case when they're not in use and cleaning them only as directed by the manufacturer. Some drivers prefer to leave their driving glasses stored in the vehicle, in their case or pouch, where they're safe from scratches and other hazards, and always ready to protect and enhance your vehicle's 2 most important safety features.